Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic, exercise 1.4, question number 11. This is lesson number 15 and HW number 12. Okay, dear the students, let us start our today's class. Here, the question of 11 number is, it is a CQ. Question is, of the total distance Javed traveled 3 by 10 foot by rickshaw, 2 by 5 foot by bicycle, 1 by 5 foot by 1 by 5 foot on foot, and the remaining 2 km by horse cart. It takes an average of 5 minutes to travel each kilometer by rickshaw and bicycle. A number question, arrange 3 by 10, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 in ascending order. B number, determine the total distance of the traveled path. And C number, how long did Javed travel by rickshaw and bicycle? At first we will solve A number. We have to arrange these three fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. For determining which fraction here is smallest, at first we have to convert all of the fraction into same denominators. Here first fraction is 3 by 10 and second fraction is 2 by 5. If we multiply numerator and denominators by 2, then its denominators also will be 10. If we multiply the numerator and denominators of third fraction also by 2, then its denominators also will be 10. That means all fractions denominators will be 10. Then we can easily find out which fraction is the smallest and which is greatest. Here first fraction is equal to 3 by 10. Second fraction is equal to 2 by 5. We will multiply the numerator and denominators by 2. Then it will be 4 by 10, same denominators. Now third fraction, is equal to 1 by 5. 1 multiplication 2 and 5 multiplication 2. This is equal to 2 by 10. Now all the fractions denominators 10, 10 and 10. In this case, which numerator is greater, that fraction is greater fraction. Here this fraction denominators is 2, this fraction denominators 4 and this fraction denominators 3. Numerator. This fraction numerators 2, this fraction numerators 4 and this fraction numerators 3. Smallest numerator is 2. That means this fraction is the smallest fraction and this is second smallest fraction and this is the greatest fraction. So now we can write, arranging the given fractions in ascending order, we get arranging the given fractions into ascending order. We get here the smallest fraction is 2 by 10 and instead of 2 by 10 we can write 1 by 5. 2 by 10 and 1 by 5 same. So at first we write 1 by 5. Then 3 by 10. And the greatest fraction is 4 by 10 and it is similar to 2 by 5. Sorry, it's 3 by 10. 2 by 5. Dear the students, it is the answer of A number. We have finished A number. Now we'll solve B number. Question of B number is determine the total distance of the traveled path. Total distance you have to find out. At first we'll add 3 by 10, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. That means the distance covered with a rickshaw, bicycle and on foot. Here the distance covered with a rickshaw, bicycle and on foot is by rickshaw he covered 3 by 10 part, 3 by 10 plus by bicycle 2 by 5 and on foot 1 by 5. Of total distance. Now denominators of 10, 5 and 5 is 10. Now if we divide 10 by 10, it will be 1, 1 multiplication 3 is equal to 3 plus 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, 2 multiplication 2 is equal to 4 plus 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, 2 multiplication 1 is equal to 2 of the total distance. This is equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, 9 by 10 part of total distance. Here we will write part of total distance. Part of total distance. Part of total distance. Now we'll consider total distance one part. Now we'll find out remaining distance. Therefore remaining distance is equal to 1 minus 9 by 10 part, and this is equal to, here LCM will be 10. Now 10 minus 9 part, this is equal to 1 by 10 part. In the question it is mentioned that and the remaining 2 kilometer by horse cart. That means remaining distance is 2 kilometers. So that we can write 1 by 10 part of total distance is equal to 2 kilometer. As per question, one by 10 part of total distance, and by 1 by 10 part of total distance is equal to 2 kilometer. Therefore, one or full part of total distance is equal to, here we have to divide 2 by 1 by 10 kilometer. This is equal to 2. We will give here multiplication and we will write 10 as numerator and 1 as denominator, and this is equal to 20 kilometer. Answer will be 20 kilometer. Okay, dear the students, we have finished B number. It was the solution of B number. Now we'll solve C number. We'll solve now C number. Here the question is, how long did Javed travel by rickshaw and bicycle? How long means how much time did he take at the time of traveling with rickshaw and bicycle? At first we'll add a rickshaw and bicycle, that means 3 by 10 and 2 by 5. Distance covered with a rickshaw and bicycle is total distance here total distance covered with rickshaw and bicycle. Rickshaw and bicycle is 3 by 10 and 2 by 5. 3 by 10 plus 2 by 5 part of total distance. This is equal to, here denominators 10 and 5, so LCM will be 10. Now 10 divided by 10 equal to 1, 1 multiplication 3 is equal to 3, plus 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, 2 multiplication 2 is equal to 4. Part of total distance. This is equal to 7 by 10 part of total distance. Dear the students, in B number we have got the total distance is 20 kilometers. So here instead of total distance we can write 20 kilometers. That means this is equal to 7 by 10 part of 7 by 10 part of 20 kilometer. Now if we cut this 20 by 10, then it will be 2, and if we multiply 7 with 2, then it will be 7 multiplication 2 equal to 14 kilometer. Now we have to find at the time of traveling 14 kilometer how much time did he take. Here in the question it is mentioned that it takes an average 5 minutes to travel each kilometer. That means for 1 kilometer Javed takes 5 minutes. For 14 kilometers Javed take 5 times of 14. For traveling 1 kilometer Javed takes. For traveling 1 kilometer, Javed takes 5 minutes. Therefore, for traveling 14 kilometer, Javed takes 14 multiplication 5 minutes, and this is equal to 14 5s are 70 minutes. 70 minutes, we know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour and another 10 minutes will remaining, so it will be 1 hour and 10 minutes. 70 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 10 minutes. This is the answer of C number. Dear the students, we have finished our today's CW. I hope you have understood today's CW. Practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SW. Today's SW number 12, and topic of SW is exercise 1.4 question number 9. Again I am repeating, your today's SW is exercise 1.4 question number 9. I hope you will be able to do your SW properly. Submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.